Franklin, mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd I mewn. O, di mynd fi gynnar, Davies methu coelio'r penderfyniad, ia, un arall yn ysgwyd I fus. O, fi'n ofnadwy a agos. A mae rhaid chi gyd yn deimlo efo Davies yn sicr. O, mae Aaron Williams yno, os di derbyn I. Nawr mae Bale mewn gan Disney. O, mae'n disgyn yn garedig a mae Davies di sgorio 8th gol y tymor hwn. Gafodd o'i siomi gan y penderfyniad ychydig funudau ôl. O fe ddangosodd o bryd hynny bod o ar ben I gêm. Wedi 11 o funudau. Mae Cei Connah ar y blaen o gol I ddim. O, mae yna lithriad fan hyn, a dyma Kenny mewn, cyfle I Kenny fan hyn! Dim amheuaeth o gwbl, smonach amddiffynol. Ac efo blaenwyr mor hyderus a sy gan Cei Connah, allwch chi'n fforddio gwneud camgymeriadau felly. Cei Connah 2, Penybont dim. A mewn â ni i'r funud ola o'r amser ychwanegol nawr te Jordan Davies. Cyfle I sgorio'r drydydd. Pennock yn ei gwthio efo llaw gre allan. Mae Davies yn mwynhau Bale droed, yn dydi. Da chi'n gwybod bob tro mae'n cael y Bale, mae'n disgwyl sgorio. Pennock. Pennock di tynnu rhywbeth yn cicio fanna. Ond os ydio, mae mewn helynt nawr, ac mae Bale gan Jordan Davies, a mae Davies yn mynd I hyn! A mi dybiech chi mai dyna'i diweddi. Mae golwr Penybont I aros lawr, ond yn halen ar ei frywio fo. Ydy ail gol I Jordan Davies, Cei Connah 2, Penybont dim. Mae hwnna'n drosedd yn dydi, ydy mai. Drosedd ar Reffel. Mae yna gyfle fan hyn I Penybont gael rhywbeth o'r gêm yma. Venables. Diom yn methu. Llygedyn o obaith. Cei Connah 2, Penybont 1. O, mae peniad ni'n da. A wyddoch chi be? Mae'r un yn ddwy. Jeffries I fyny. A'i beniad o yn rhoi gwir obaith nawr I Penybont. Reffel ar ferchog. Hoi, derbyn, croesi. Venables, mae Venables mewn lle! A dyna chi ddarlun sy'n deud y cyfan. Yn ôl I safonau uchel iawn fo. Oedd hwnnw'n gyfle I gael crydedd gol dramatig iawn. Ond be sydd I digwydd I Cei Connah? Wild o, mae Wild I gyd na'r ferchog fanna. Mae dyna Bale fewn at Davies. Davies ar draws wyneb y gol! Ac os oedd yna unrhyw amheuaeth, mae Harrington di sicrhau bod hi'n croesi'r llinell. Ydy'n hat-trick I Jordan Davies, neu ydy cyffyrddiad Harrington wedi difetha y deheuad bach yna. Wel, oedd hi yn mynd I fewn yn doedd. Mae'n just gwrsio fydd rhwng Jordan Davies a Harrington heno dybed.
2 further goals today takes your tally to 9 points.
Yeah, it was always an achievement at the beginning of the season. I set myself a goal and I'm nearly there, but yeah, we keep going game by game.
You look to be enjoying your football. What's the manager asking you to do different here at Connah's Quay?
He's just giving me the freedom to play, and the boys believe in me, the manager believes in me, so yeah, it's showing on the pitch.
Penybont made it difficult for us. I thought, 3-0 down, they had nothing to lose really at that point, and they threw the kitchen sink at us. They were putting bodies forward at every opportunity. They were loading the box up with crosses. They're a very big physical team. They've got 5, 6, 7 players over 6 foot. It's hard at times for us to deal with those, the nature of their direct play. But they picked up second balls, turned us back to front, and we had to weather a storm there for 20 minutes, and it was edgy, I won't lie, but I always felt that when we controlled the ball and when we turned the ball back over, we were a threat to score. So it was either going to be one of those where it ends up 6-1, 6-2, or it's 3-all. So thankfully we got that 4th goal and it made it easier for ourselves then.
I don't begrudge them the 3 points. I thought they played well. They were clinical as well, and they played well first half. Second half we played very well, but unfortunately we probably gifted them a couple of goals which stunted our fight back, if you like, and probably had a couple of chances at 3-2 maybe that on another day we might have taken, but I just felt that they were a bit more clinical than us, and probably we defended poorly on a couple of their goals, which was frustrating for us.